Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the Burnwood Bushcraft channel. Today I'm going to show you how I keep my cutting tools sharp when I'm at camp. Stay tuned. The blades that I usually carry when I'm out at camp or out on a bushcraft trip or something, usually it's my FISKARS hatchet and my MORA GARBERG. If you're familiar with my videos, you've probably seen these in my videos. Most of the time, this is what I'm carrying. So I have my possibles pouch here. I always carry a little bottle of chrome polish, some honing compound, a rag, and my Fallkniven DC4 sharpening stone. The Fallkniven DC4 is an awesome little sharpening stone. Very small. It's got diamond cut on the front side, and on the back side you got a finer sharpening surface, a finer stone. You can pick this up on Amazon for around 30 bucks. I'll put the link down in the description. So I like to start out with a little bit of polish. My knife still has some sap on it, some pine pitch from when I made pine pitch glue in my last video. But what I did was I stuck the blade in the fire directly in the flame, and got most of it off, but there's still a little bit on there. Once the sap heated up, it came right off. So basically I'm just trying to be careful, make sure I don't cut myself. You can see there's a little bit of sap still on the tip. That's looking pretty good. So depending on how dull my blade is, how it feels, sometimes I use the diamond side, sometimes I don't. In this case, it feels pretty dull, so I'm going to go ahead and start using the diamond side. I have the knife at an angle like I'm trying to shave a layer off of the stone. And because this knife has such a curve at the top, instead of doing a sweeping and a lifting motion, I like just doing small strokes like that. Turn it on the corner at the curve, make sure I get that tip. I'm going to try to go the other way as many times as I went the opposite direction. And as I go, I shorten the number of strokes on each side of the blade. Now we're doing the fine side. Ooh wee. Oh yeah, baby. She is sharp. on the hatchet, I'm using the diamond side first, and I'm holding it at an angle that lines up with the edge of that blade. I'm just going to do small circles. You can kind of hear when it gets smoothed out. Nice and smooth. Flip it over the other way. Now I'm hitting it with the fine side. Oh yeah. She's sharp, baby. She's sharp. Might not be a perfect technique, but it works for me. Well, there you have it, folks. That's how I keep my tools sharp when I'm in the bush. Fallkniven DC4. Can't go wrong with it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one.